Hi guys, this is Dr. Nida with Keys of Health. In this video, I'm going to continue with my series on dry pantry items you can use as supplements. You can do so much with simple items right from your kitchen. It is even more important right now when we are dealing with COVID-19 lockdowns and its after effects, when supplements and medicines are not so readily available and some health facilities are still inaccessible. Trust me on this, once you start using these items for your day-to-day health, you will never go back. The trick is to know how to use them properly. In this video, I will talk to you about fenugreek seed tea, what you can do with it, how to make it, and how to use it. Fenugreek seeds are nutritionally rich and have amazing health and medicinal benefits. Let's start with heart health. Fenugreek tea may lower the levels of cholesterol, which is one of the largest contributors to heart disease. Fenugreek increases the level of antioxidant enzyme glutathione, which is known to boost heart and liver health. Fenugreek can help treat constipation. The seeds contain water-soluble fiber, which helps treat constipation. What's more, fenugreek seed tea is great treatment for ulcerative colitis and irritable bowel syndrome. The tea has also been used in traditional Chinese medicine to treat digestive issues, including boosting digestion. Fenugreek seed tea can help reduce inflammation. It can really help reduce the pain related to arthritis. It can promote weight loss. Studies have shown that fenugreek seed extract can inhibit fat accumulation and help reverse high fat levels. It is also great for diabetes. The soluble fiber in fenugreek can help lower blood sugar levels. This has been used as a treatment for diabetes in many cultures for centuries. I will do a separate video on this topic because it really deserves some recognition and its own time. Fenugreek has brain-boosting effects. Research has suggested that the tea can slow down the progression of age-related memory loss as well as prevent the onset of Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Fenugreek tea can also reduce aluminum toxicity and its effect on the brain. It can enhance male sexual health. Supplementation with fenugreek seeds has shown increased testosterone levels in male as well as an increase in their libido. Studies have also shown that the intake of fenugreek can improve sexual arousal, energy, and stamina in men. It also helps men maintain their normal, healthy testosterone levels. You can add milk and molasses or honey to the tea for this particular purpose. I will share the recipe of the tea towards the end of this video, so you just add milk and honey or molasses to that tea. Fenugreek seeds have recognized benefits for milk production in nursing moms, and it also helps maintain their energy levels through the day. Again, you can add milk and honey or molasses to the tea to make it even more powerful. Fenugreek tea also helps provide respiratory relief in asthma patients. Now, when you're drinking it for asthma, you don't want to add milk to it, but you can add honey. It also helps fight premature aging. Fenugreek seeds are rich in antioxidants and can help fight free radicals. This makes them ideal against premature aging. For this purpose, it is ideal to make tea with sprouted seeds. It has many benefits for skin and hair, so you will notice a difference there as well. So let's talk about how to make fenugreek tea. Making fenugreek tea is simple. You need a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds for 2 cups of tea. Crush the seeds with a mortar and pestle or in a spice grinder. Boil water. Pour it into a teapot or a container. Then you add the crushed fenugreek seeds. You can also add other herbs and loose tea leaves to enhance the flavor and benefits. Cover and steep the seeds for about 5 minutes. Strain, and you can drink the tea hot or cold. Now, there are a few things you should know before taking fenugreek tea. The tea is hot in its effect. Fenugreek seeds are very powerful and they are hot in their effect. Start off by taking half a cup and gradually increase, but you shouldn't consume more than 2 cups daily. This tea should be avoided in pregnancy. Lab studies have shown that its regular consumption can cause developmental issues in fetus. Since this tea has blood sugar lowering abilities, it should be taken with caution by diabetics, and you shouldn't really take it late at night. As with everything else, you want to check for any possible allergic reaction, especially if you will be using fenugreek for the first time. Take a very small dose and then gradually increase. This is a potent herb. You will not see results overnight, but you will start seeing its effects after 2 to 3 days of constant use. So this is it for this video. I would love to hear from you what effects you noticed once you started using the tea and how long before you started noticing a major difference. If you haven't subscribed, please do so now. I will see you shortly with another video. Until then, take care. Goodbye.